Hi guys, and I have to apologize for not doing an introduction this time. I did lose footage on it, and so thank you for coming to my channel, Crafting My Way, and for all my subscribers, I thank you. And if you're new to my channel, please continue to watch, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And here I'm doing a Juneteenth, which is June 19th. I'm doing a wreath in honor of the Juneteenth holiday that was just made official. And this is a holiday that's celebrated by the Black African American communities. And this is a day that in 1865 ended slavery. So you see a lot of celebrations going on this day now. And the colors do represent something. The green represent prosperity, the red represent blood, and the black represents soil. So I decided that this year that I would do um, some type of DIY. So I decided to do a wreath for my front door. And here I'm going to measure 10 inches here. And I'm going to cut. I use this cutter, but I've tried, but it just cut out on me so shortly after I got it. I should have returned it. I got it from Hobby Lobby, but here I will use my scissors and get them all cut out. And I'm going to use the zip ties instead of my Chanel stems, which I did put them on the wire rack, and I ended up removing them, which was a lot of extra work for myself, but I just wanted to use the zip ties. I did purchase some from the Dollar Tree, but here I get everything cut out, um, and then I began to put my mesh onto my rack, and I do use the two center circles that's on the rack to put the mesh ribbons on. And I do have a longer table in my crafting room, but this is the one I work on all the time. The longer table would have been better. Of course, I have my computer and Cricut machine on that, so it's easier for me just to try to do this than moving everything around, if that makes sense to you. But eventually, I do get everything all cut out and get started on making the wreath. It do turn out to be cute, and I must say I enjoyed making it. It have a meaning for me, and I do enjoy it. And please comment and let me know. Do you celebrate the holiday? Did you know anything about it? And just let me know your thoughts on it. And if you do, and if you did make a DIY, I would love to know what did you do pertaining to this holiday. Okay, right here, I've removed the Chanel stems and working with the zip ties. And I'm just going to curl it or roll up together, then pinch them, the black and the red and the green together. So it kind of looked like a flower slash butterfly, so to speak. And I'm just going to place them together and add the zip ties to them, in which I will place the zip ties on the two center rings that's on the rack. So, and I do that until it's completed, and I will add some ribbons that I got from Hobby Lobby to my wreath. And right here I am placing it, as you can, with this is the back of it, but I'm using the two centers, the two circles that's in the center, and I put the zip ties on them, And I really love how tight you can get it. And once you get it all fitted together, and it comes out nice. And here I'm showing you what I'm going to use. Put them in the two centers, the two rings that's in the center. And I just completed it, and that's the zip ties I got from the Dollar Tree. And everything that I use will be in my description box, but I continue to do this until I'm completely finished and have the more ribbons you put on there, the fuller your rack becomes and the better your wreath looks. And I try to put from 5 to 7 bows per section on the wire rack, on the rack, on the ring. So I do that until it's completed. And like I said, I did end up adding the black ribbon, and I added red and black ribbon and a green ribbon to my to the wreath, and it turned out really nice. And I really love, as I say, working with the zip ties because you can get it as tight as you like. Sometimes with a Chanel stem, the more you twist it, sometimes it don't get as tight as you would like it. Definitely not as tight as these. And this is the finishing of my wreath. I thought it came out really nice. Toward the end here, I did clip those little strings that's hanging loose. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.